Okay, hello guys. My name is Keith Rainz. I'm a freelancer in web designing and marketing from Lusaka, Zambia. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about email marketing and how it can help you grow your business in Zambia. Okay, so this was actually written as a post on my blog. Okay, if you're watching this from YouTube, click the link in the description and it will redirect you to my blog post of which I wrote about email marketing in Zambia. Okay, so I'm going just to walk you through what I wrote in the post to make you understand better. Okay, okay. So let's jump in right away. Okay, so email marketing is the leading digital marketing techniques since email was created and the gateway to deliver uh, the commercial message via email to a group of people. Okay, so why do you need email marketing in Zambia? Okay, there are many reasons why you need email marketing. Okay, and according to this, whether you're owner a company, a marketer for partners, or you're in network marketing, you can handle your business online and distort brand awareness. Okay, so what this means that um, email marketing can help you in Zambia. For example, if you're in network marketing, like you do some recruiting with people, you can build up a list and email them according as you want about new products or just notifying them about new services or anything. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why you need email marketing. So what are some of the advantages or benefits, okay, of email marketing? Okay, one of them is that it enhances your company's profitability. Okay, so yeah, this means that, for example, if you've got a list of 10,000 people, okay, and you've got a new product, you can just email them all at once and notify them that we are currently having a new product, and you will not need to pay for advertising because you already have customers of which you can just contact at any time and they'll buy from you. Okay, the second advantage of using email marketing in Zambia is that it is very fast and powerful. Okay, I myself I use email marketing. Okay, as you can see, uh, this box here. Okay, okay, anyone who comes to my site, if they like my content, they can subscribe to my mailing list. And every time I do some emailing every week, like updating what I'm up to, what I've done, and so on. Okay, so it's easy and it's very powerful. Okay, it's easy and very powerful and it's very easy to use. Okay, you can send to 1 million people at once. Okay, the other benefit is that it is measurable. So what do I mean by measurable? It means that you track and improve your marketing strategy. For example, if you send an email to all people at once, you'll be able to see how many people have opened the email in the last 30 days or the same day. You can also receive some feedback from the people you're emailing. So it is measurable and you can improve further. Okay, so there are also some other things you need to do to know about email marketing is that um, some people, okay, like when you fill in the email forms there, they can sell your email to other people. Okay, I'm sure you've seen or noticed that people of which you don't even know like email you like in things which are irrelevant, like you don't even know them. Okay, those are spams. Okay, so once you start out emails marketing, I advise you that do not sell people's email accounts and do not spam people with irrelevant things of which don't matter to you and the people emailing. Okay, so these are some of the things you have to make sure that you don't do in email marketing in Zambia. Okay, don't spam. Okay, and do not use black hat methods. Okay, and the other thing is that you have to stay away from copying and pasting email series. Okay, so this is it about email marketing in Zambia. Okay, um, feel free to check out the link in the description. And this is Keith. If you need any help in email marketing, feel free to contact me. My number is 0977 Okay. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe. I'll be uploading a lot of marketing videos on this YouTube channel. And don't forget to also to subscribe to my email list so that you should be receiving this type of articles directly to your email. Okay, so bye bye for now.